You will take your credential card and place it at the very front.
Over here, station 14. That's the first card.
That just holds together. Welcome.
And over here, you're going to place your credential at the top.
Well then, welcome to our workshop. Please, have a look around. I know to some of you this might seem like a lot of old junk, but let me show you. Some of it is new junk. But to all of us here, this is everything. Everyone's met my friends around the room already, yes? I should have one right here and two over here. Excellent. You may call me Kennedy. We humbly call ourselves here the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics. We search the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we do find out there, well, we bring here. So we're someone like, I don't know, let's say one of those stormtroopers, right? Wanders in, looks around, and sees useless clutter. Well, those of us who know will look around and see priceless history. And of course, preserving our past here may very well be the key to ensuring our future. I take it everyone here has heard of the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes? We hear there's a new Jedi. Does anyone know her name? Right, yes. What she is leading is the spark of hope that all of us here have been waiting for. Which is exactly why all of you are with us here today. To look ahead and to help us forge a new future. And, of course, to build this. A lightsaber. Wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is truly an art. The lightsaber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, each and every one of you will get to experience that very same connection. But enough of all this. Let's begin, shall we? We will start with perhaps the most important element of the lightsaber. The kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify. Some say that the kyber crystal is the very heart of the lightsaber itself. The color of your crystal will of course determine the color of your blade. And you may know some of these from some of the greatest Jedi heroes in history. Blue, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi. His apprentice, Anakin Skywalker. And now, so we hear red. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the lightsaber wielded by Mace Windu. Red. It has been called the color of power. It is the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and Kylo Ren. But these are all stories of the past, and we're here for you, our future. So builders, indulge me. Close your eyes. Picture your crystal in your mind. Which of these colors calls to you? Which of these colors is yours? Mentally choose your kyber crystal, but remember, however, that it is equally likely that it's already chosen you. Builders, open your eyes. Choose your crystal. We've all chosen our crystals. If you haven't done so already, please take your kyber crystal, place them on that small square green crystal holder in front of you for me, would you? They haven't quite been stabilized for activation just yet, but we'll cover that a little bit later. Now then, this brings us to our build. We're going to begin by building our heart, our foundation, our center of control. The part that keeps your fingers from being disintegrated. Inside of each box, here are all of the the unique parts and pieces that you have selected to help you build your very own lightsaber. But before we begin, let's have a little bit of a closer look first, shall we? When you start, you're going to start all the way on your left, where you'll select that chassis. You'll jump all the way over to row 5, where you have 2 matching sets of activation plates to choose from. Rows 1 and 2 have 4 grips. Row 3 has 2 emitters, and row 4 has 2 palm caps. Now, building a lightsaber is, of course, a very personal journey. However, should you require any assistance at all, my gatherers and I are here to help. Let's build!
Right. Hello, I'll be helping you out with your build today. That's temporary set. We want to begin with your chassis, holding up those lines on top. Next, if you'll all take the tiger crystal, we're going to get in the crystal chamber here at the center. Now, I find it easier to take the small point of the chamber and gently place it in that notch in the very top. And then gently press the larger point in the notch. Now you'll know your crystal's in place when it's going to the same color as the crystal. And sit upright and give it a little twirl on those notches without it falling out. That would work.
Oh, you getting excited, Teetz?
Red crystals are very strong. Now, my friends, if you'll all turn to verse number 5, where you have 2 pairs of activation plates. You can choose either of the 2 pairs, but they are partners. They don't mix and match. Whichever pair you like best, go ahead and turn it upside down. Underneath, you should notice a red and a blue square, which will then pair with a red and blue circle. So we're in number 5 first, my friend. You'll choose one of the 2 partners there, and match the red and blue squares on the red and the blues in the chassis. Red over red covers one window, blue over blue covers the second. Red to red and blue will cover up your crystal. So we'll put red on red, and then blue on the blue square. So you can take one separate box together. You can say one. And the blue square on the second. Do you hear sparkling when you switch up and down the thing? Perfect. You can now pick any of these 4 grips, but you need 2. One for the top and one for the bottom. Now you can pick whichever one you like, mix and match your food. However, make sure that copper ring of each part goes towards your activation plates. That's how it happens. Just a little push and turn and thread it in place for you. Four bricks, but you need 2 of them. One for the top and one for the bottom. One side of the each one's got that light. Take that bigger ring and place it in. That one goes towards your center. That's how it's attached. You'll use some pressure, push and turn to feel it in place for you. Alright, my game friend, you heard that spark when you slide it up and down? Now you're ready for boxes. You've got 4 red boxes here. 2 of them. One for the top and another one for the bottom. You can fix them nice and please. It doesn't matter which way you change anyone using that top or top, just as long as this part, the wire end, goes towards the mid. How's it feel? Good. Excellent. You have 2 steps remaining, my friend. You'll choose an emitter from box 3 that will push on top like a bottle cap. And an end cap from number 4 will push on the bottom the same way. When your hilt is completed, if you place your 2 out it's ready for its first activation. Like this? Yeah. Very good. So we got it upside down. So turn that piece around. Then give it that push and turn, and it should tighten into place for you. Ah, there you are. Excellent. And then any of the 3 will go on the top. After we have all secured our onto our chassis, we're going to go ahead and set you have 2 trips remaining, my friend. So you put it in there. Then it goes on the top of your bottle. Number 4, one of your end caps is pushed on the bottom. When it's completely place it here, I'll make it ready. That's the top. All right, my friend, how's it feel? You've got 2 steps left. You'll pick one of the 2 from number 3.
We got the cue to ride rise. It said we have until 3:49.
Top and bottom. So one of these 2 for the top and one of these 2 for the bottom. If you meetings are ready, you go over to section 4 and choose. Let's take a look here. It's going to go on the bottom. Once you guys have
place that sheet on your note, you're gonna set that right here in the station. You can't.
Rip on there, nice rip, down, line, that's always fun. Now when we activate, I try to activate all together at the same time. Kempe will say activate, we'll slide your switch up. When Kempe says deactivate, we'll slide it back down. Now leave this here, because Kempe likes to slide it down. Now I'm going to collect these parts, because that's the blue things from them in the future.
Another complete saber. Now we have a couple of them. How was your build down here? Excellent. We're going to Crystal. Well, lovely work. Protection and defense. I'm personally very fond of the protection and defense kit. The very first one I ever built. How was the build for you?
Good.
Yeah? No troubles, no issues, getting anything in? Excellent. Excellent. Beautiful work. We still have a couple more minutes before we need to activate. Just sit tight for me.
It says to activate. That's all you have to do. Off. Off.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, just activate. Roll and roll. And we went to the piece of Look at this. And you, that was quick. Wow. Good work, guys. Well, how was that, everyone? Well, now, we've all completed our builds, and nothing unexpected or traumatic has taken place, because why would it, right? That wasn't the dangerous part. This, however, is the dangerous part. So builders, please take a big step back away from your stations for me, would you? Just for a moment, we'll give over the gatherers take over. Remember, I mentioned earlier when we selected our crystals, how they hadn't quite been stabilized for activation just yet. Well, this right here is a tiny peek into that activation process. Trust me, I won't bore you with all the details. It's very lengthy. You'll just have to trust me when I say it's amazing. Now, before we move on, I do have one very important thing that I do like to do. What's this?
With many punch, you began. With the heart of the saber, they are going. Much more they will become. It's time.
It's Master Yoda. He's right. It is indeed time. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In just a moment, Builders, I will ask everyone to step forward. We'll all place our hands on our hilts, and together, on my signal, we will activate. Builders, is everyone ready? Yes, excellent. Step forward. And yes, go ahead, place your hands on your hilts. Make sure I have everyone with me. Activate! Builders, raise your lightsabers.
Oh,
You
Teetz.
have built a lightsaber, like a Jedi and a Sith before you.
Teetz.
And like them too, you have the power to change the galaxy. Remember, Builders, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your lightsaber.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but like your way, it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Well, Builders, you all hold in your hands remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. It does happen. In just a moment, I will dismiss you all individually to receive your very own saber sheath and to celebrate your accomplishment.